Hello everyone, we are here today at the Polynesian Villas to show you a bungalow. We are so excited about this. Now the bungalows are a 2-bedroom that sleep up to 8 adults and have a fantastic view of the castle.
And the fireworks at night. They pump in the music. It's pretty awesome. Now, we've stayed here before in the past, but right now Disney Vacation Club is allowing you to tour the bungalows. So if you're here at the Polynesian for dinner, or if you're staying here, you can go up to the kiosk in the main lobby and ask them. They'll take you down here and let you take your own tour. We asked them if we could come through and do a video tour for you guys in case you're not able to make it on your own. So we're going to take you through and show you everything now.
Let's check it out.
So when we first enter in here, we're in the hallway. We've got a little foyer area with a light up there inviting us to visit Bora Bora, which is where we are on the bungalows. There are 2 actual bedrooms here. One is over here on the left, and it has a queen size bed with a pretty cool surfboard headboard. It's got this 7 Seas Surf Co. Of course, we're on the 7 Seas Lagoon here, so love that headboard. That's pretty awesome. You've got lights on either side that are dimmable. You do have overhead lights as well and a ceiling fan in here. And then you've got USB outlets on either side above the nightstands so you can charge your devices. And you do have a closet as well with shelving and closet rods in there. And then the window seat over there has some drawers underneath, so you can see some storage area there, as well as a little seat looking out towards the rest of the Polynesian resort. And then we have a pull down twin size bed here with a cute picture back there of Lilo and Stitch passed out in the hammock. Super adorable. And there's a little hidden Mickey if we come over to the left here. There it is. In the rocks. We got a little hidden Mickey there on the bed, so you can sleep 3 in this bedroom. And then the second bedroom we have is our master. It's right over here across the hallway. And the master bedroom, you've got a king size bed, of course. You have a big TV on the wall and a dresser over there. You also have this really cool tiki guy lamp sitting here on the dresser, and you've got some USB outlets and wall outlets there. And then over on this side of the room, you've got your master bathroom with a barn door. As you can see, we do have a television built into our mirror. That's pretty cool. Gotta love the TV mirror. That's just awesome. We've got a double vanity in here, tons of amenities there. We've got storage underneath, lots and lots of counter space. We have a jetted tub over here. Really big jetted tub. This is pretty cool. And just a little light coming in from the outside there, but it is frosted glass, of course. And then we have a walk-in shower on this side. It's got a detachable shower head as well as the rainfall style head. Huge master bathroom here. Very cool. And then the toilet is in its own little room hiding behind this door. So you've got your toilet in here in the room by itself with some of the mermaids that look like they're the mermaids from Peter Pan, if I had to guess. That's pretty cool. And then here in the bedroom, you also have a door on the far side. And this door, you can open up the blinds or you can close them so you can have more light. And you can open this up and head out onto the deck. So we're going to go ahead and head out here. And you can see we've got these little hanging chairs you can sit on. And this, of course, wraps all the way around. You've got lounge chairs, you've got a table and chairs, and you have the little plunge pool over here. This is not a hot tub or a jetted tub, but it is a little plunge pool. Really nice to sit in and relax as you enjoy the view of the fireworks at night, because you have a spectacular fireworks view here, and you can hear the music when you're out here on the deck because they do pipe it into the speakers. So it's pretty amazing at night. That view is awesome. Let's head back inside. We're going to go through and we're going to see the other bathroom here and the laundry area. So it's over here on the left. We've got the laundry in the closet right here. Stackable washer and dryer, of course, like all 1-bedroom and larger villas for a vacation club. And then we have 2 separate bathrooms here. We've got one here with a tub and a vanity. So you've got the vanity and of course the mirror and the lights and a shower and tub. Just a regular shower head in there, no detachable heads. And then just to the left of us, we have the second bathroom where you have another vanity and of course your toilet, and then lots of little trinkets that fit the theming here. The little hula guy is pretty awesome, and some fun pictures on the wall. Specifically, we've got one from Tiki Room here, and then one with Mickey and Minnie. Really tiny, but it's super cute. We'll head over into the living room and kitchen and wrap things up. This is kind of the main living area. We've got the big table in here with 8 chairs because you can sleep 8 people. You can see the kitchen has a full-size fridge and freezer in it. It's got cabinets. It's got a full-size coffee maker. It's fully stocked with all the dishes you could possibly need. It's got silverware and cooking things like pots and pans, just like all the other Vacation Club villas, except this one has a little bit of a nicer oven. It has the Advanium oven down there, which is pretty awesome if you've ever used one of those. And then of course you also have a microwave and a traditional stovetop as well. Then you got your sliding doors here that lead you back out onto that same patio we were on that overlooks Magic Kingdom. Of course, the view is a huge selling point for these bungalows. And then you have the living area over here where you've got a couple chairs and a little table. You do have a pull-out bed that is a queen size pull-out couch there. You've got a beautiful picture of the bungalows hanging above the couch. I have looked at this for hidden Mickeys. I've not found any in here, but perhaps there's one in there I'm missing. It's hard to tell. Maybe up in that top left corner, it's like a Mickey profile. Kind of hard to say, but I'll let you be the judge on that one. And then on the wall over here with the very large TV, we've got a Jungle Cruise boat in that painting right there. At least it looks like a Jungle Cruise boat. It could be one of the boats that goes between Polynesian and Magic Kingdom, but I'm going to call it Jungle Cruise because it looks like one to me. You've got the dresser over here, so you have some storage space. And then you have another pull-down twin-size bed, which has the electrical water pageant, which goes around Seven Seas Lagoon and Bay Lake every single night. So great having that there, and really cute. Kind of got the bungalows and Polynesian in the background there. So absolutely beautiful view here, looking out over Magic Kingdom. Really cool place to stay. Very unique, very similar to the cabins, except for you have like the Polynesian theming and you have that view of the castle, which you may not really aren't going to get anywhere else. So that's going to conclude the tour here of the bungalows at Polynesian Villas. We hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give us a thumbs up down below and comment with any questions you have about the bungalows. And while you're down there, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified whenever we put out new videos.
For more information about Disney and the Disney resorts, head to herewiththeears.com. We've got a lot of information for you there. Thank you for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.